Welcome back to Laughs Out Loud. I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And today we are doing the $500 budget challenge. Woo!
So guys, we have $500 to spend in the supermarket.
Guys, we will be going through and picking up items that should be under $500 or $500 plus.
So the person who has the most items at the end of 10 minutes wins the
And
challenge.
you cannot take up more than 3 of the same items.
Yes, that's
guys, Team Shan.
Guys, we know that Nanny, they're part Team Shad. So if you're part Team Shad, just leave a comment down below.
Guys, I'm about to win the challenge.
You're going to win your first
Let's
challenge.
go.
You're going to win your
Let's
first
go.
challenge. What? Guys, don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
and
subscribe. Do it for the Nanny. Go out.
Bam.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
So we want seasoning. Seasoning supposed to cheap, don't? So we can get shredded. And then we can tear this with shredder. Then how much for the man? Seasoning not supposed to cheap. Alright, so what we can take up 3 fish and 3 chicken into the counters. Alright, come.
Guys, we don't know what to take out. How much it is? $32? Oh, Jesus.
I think pepper not supposed to cheap. $69. That expensive for my budget. No pepper with that expensive.
Jesus, guys. Oh my God. How much money we gone already? Get some cheap when we buy 3, right? With girl know for shop.
How much one of them? Which one of them are cheap, huh? $68. Must can get a coconut milk. No, Chinese for good. Salt. Salt cheap, $40. Salt cheap. I got to go 3. Oh, what's the one? 3 salt, guys. No little cheap nothing there, huh? Baking. Capri Sun supposed to be cheap.
No, come. Oh, go. Wait. We're going to the earlier.
Come out of my arm.
What did you take up sounds?
30, yeah, 36. It's supposed to be cheaper, peanut. Alright.
Then something much time we have?
6 minutes.
Alright. So this is $100. So then we are $60. So this is $30 odd dollar. This is how much money? More $50. I got about $350 so far.
That's guys, club social. So which one are for $23 now? Original. It's not cheaper, huh? Guys, I have to add up, you know, how much reach? $38 for Oreo. What do you think? What do you think Shadi is going? Yeah, one that $32 for your cookie and cream. That's too much money for Shirley. $20. $20 that, guys. Digestive substitute. Ramen, $50 that expensive. We can't. What's your $18? You have enough there to go. Biscuit for 30. $18, guys. Yes, right there. Woo. $24 this enough. $21. We reach 5 minutes. Guys, $15. Shanice never see them, you know. Shanice see them, eh? $15 for them, you know. Alright. You guys cheap, you know. You can buy some of them at $25. Alright, we're done. We have 4 minutes left. Alright. I think we're rich. I think this is a lot of stuff, guys. Look. You think must add them up before? Oh, that must be strategic. Tissue. You have tissue for $20? Much for tissue? How much for tissue? Mama can't take home. Alright. Guys, I don't want to go over the $500. You think must stop? Don't want to be greedy. Come and see if we can go check out Shanice. We can act like we are. Guys, I finish. Alright. Look in my basket. 4 minutes me complete the challenge. I'm here going win. Oh gosh, this is serious. Here. I'm take me reach to $500. Come. Go to cruise through. And see if we see anything else. The mask drop off on my face. Them something hard. $45. But you think when I'm a basket over $50, over $500? Maybe. $12? Superstar. Yes, you said them never that wrong. Super cheese. $11, guys. $11. I don't want something there now. It must stop. Me think I must stop because when you add GCT, never stop. Never cover up my mom. Know what she said? It look like we're over though.
I'm not on the floor.
I'm not to cut nothing. How much one I scissor yourself?
I'm not going to say
This is for $32, so them there for $60. $35. Alright, so guys, let me go back.
Itu masa kau kulit? Kulit expensive. No? Bayar semua sama guys. You know, I was at 20 something dollars. You sure? So we took out 2 scissors. One of the what? What? This of the 33 dollar pallet. Alright. No, to put them there. So then there's $60, right? When I water them, they don't. Oh, come on, go back up on the water. We are reviewing the basket, guys. I took the water for $33. I'm gonna take up 3 minutes. Yeah, that's fine. That's under $100. 2 of them there.
Hello, it's time. How much time you have left? What?
I heard see her there, guys.
Guys, I'm reviewing my basket. Let me see what you have there.
Yeah, $1 biscuit to have it away, so but because me about to be a housewife, me know how to shop. So they gone over $1,000. I want to her. Come guys. I hope you have extra money.
They're not door for owner.
So then you carry your card. So that is like $5,000 a year, bro. What you do?
Oh, no, can't just
You're not allowed to remove after the 1
But
year.
can't remove?
Cut.
Time up?
Come.
We're going to cashier, guys. We're going to cashier.
That. Jeez. I reach $111 already. What? I feel like I win. Miss, don't make it past $500. You pass up. $300 I put back my stuff. No. Jesus. What?
You reach?
We're 98. Alright, go ahead. Oh my god, guys. Well, I can shop $144 over. It is not bad. Can you use my card, eh? Can you use card?
Come now.
Guys, $644. I still have a chance. Save it.
Alright, hopefully I'm going to get the package discounted. So when I buy 3 things,
You don't even know discount. How much you take off? Guys, I feel the winning coming on.
Come on, get too close up. Let me come back and get the screen now.
Shot time now.
Right. When I something my wheel on. Oh,
Watch
I
it, watch it,
can't
watch
see.
it. $500. Should they reach $500 already? No.
$100 for 2
They're gonna
items.
don't know for shop. May I get discount? This there. That's good though because you have 3 biscuits. Then they solve their loan.
If it not scan, don't fight it. $174.
Digestive. What's your 300? A 2 more? Oh, so eat this? Watch out. She a work for a discount, you know. Jeez. My God, see she reach right when we did reach there. Jeez. Guys, look on the disappointment on her face.
Whenever should I put back to myself?
Well, I need to because she missed all of this.
Oh my God. $1,000 challenge with a plate. I'm going to take
Guys, she quiet. When the door says she lose. Yo, this was fun. We know that Shade don't know to shop. Like when she goes supermarket, she just gets excited. She just start pick up things. The lady asks her if her 1993 she thinks she are living on. When me just born, Shade pick up the whole supermarket for $500.
today.
She don't have nothing to say. She dumb. She dumb, guys. Alright. Guess who win? Team Shad, we won.
I'm not used to the $500 budget some year. Shanice.
You see she know, guys. She don't know to shop.
No, but them say when you buy 3, you get discount. Some of them take up 3
Future.
and everything.
Husband, do not send Shade to the supermarket to shop. She do not know how to stay under budget or on budget. Guys, this was exciting. Shade, talk truth.
No.
You're not happy for me?
Guys, I thought it was $1,000 challenge. I did not remember that it was a $500 challenge, guys.
Please.
So whatever I get, just divide it by 2.
Please go back to the beginning of the video for us and hear who said $500 and Nanny is on my side. Nanny is on Team Shad.
Guys,
This is too much.
don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe.
Guys, she had to finish the video. I won. Me win. Yo, this serious enough?
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and see you next week with more videos.
Bye. Peace out. Yeah!